We'll guide you through how to send an email from Google Sheet. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After that, go to the spreadsheet that you prepared earlier and click the spreadsheet file to open it. Once the sheet is fully visible, observe the data that appears in the sheet. Take a moment to check the information in each column carefully. Review the names, numbers, or other data entries that are displayed. You can begin by making the title or header text bold so that it stands out from the rest of the content. After that, adjust the column width to improve visibility and ensure the text fits properly within each column. Make sure all data has been edited or adjusted properly before moving to the next step. Now move your cursor to the top menu bar of Google Sheets. Locate the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click the File menu to open the drop-down list that contains several options. Carefully look through the options that appear in the drop-down menu until you find the email option. Once you see it, hover your cursor over the email option and wait until a side menu appears. From the side menu, click Email this file to continue. After clicking that option, wait until the email dialog box appears on the screen. In this dialog box, locate the field first. Enter the recipient's email address in the field so the file can be sent to the correct person. Next, choose whether you want to send a copy of the email to yourself. If you want a copy, simply check the box that allows the email to be copied to you. Then move to the subject section in the dialog box and type the subject or title of the email. Below the subject field, go to the message section and write a short description or message explaining the content of the file. After that, find the file format option in the dialog box and choose the file format you want to send. You can select PDF, Google Sheet, or Excel format depending on your preference. Finally, review all the information in the dialog box again and make sure the email address and message are correct. Once everything looks good, click the Send button to send the email.